Alright, we're here on the paddle boats here in a glorious Kennywood, and there's a holy steel curtain. Unfortunately, I'm not a good driver, but I have to paddle for my brother here. Sorry about that, Tucker. Yeah, guess he'll do all the steering for me. Have you been on the Black Widow or the Steel Curtain? What about the race, sir? Lots of screaming on there if you don't like loud noises. But I haven't ridden one of these since Idlewild had them. I think Idlewild had one of these. I rode them years ago. Yeah, we're just gonna sail all the way down the Minnehaha River and down to Steubenville, hometown of Steubenville, Ohio, I guess. I don't think this water is deep.
Go backwards.
Yeah, this is for anybody who's riding the Sky Coaster. There's Aero 360. Oh my gosh. I'll try it. Yep, there's the steel curtain. I think I'm gonna stop right there so I can drive this thing without crashing it into something. Let's watch the steel curtain now.